good evening, depending on what time you're watching this video. Hi! This is your girl, Tara Love Diva. Okay, welcome to Vlogmas Day 17. We are so close to Tara's birthday. She's not doing anything for her birthday. She might stay home and cook. She might stay home and bake her a cake. I don't know. I just have nothing planned. I really don't want to plan anything because let's get into yesterday's video first. So yesterday, I didn't film because I'm in different cities of state of Georgia. Metro surrounding area of Atlanta. I was 1, 2, 3, then back home. Started at 9 o'clock. Then back home, it was 4:20 something. Started at 9. Well, here, there, and all over. Because I had things to do. You know, money. So, got back here at 4:20. I had all of 20 minutes to get dressed, to be out the house by 5 o'clock, to be on the side of town. My granddaughter's Christmas, and she's only 3, but the daycare had a whole, it was so nice. Had to be there by 6, so we had to leave here at 5, so I only had 20 minutes to get dressed. So after the event, it was so cute though. It was so, I don't miss my kids being that age, but that's what the grandkids are for. But it was so cute. My granddaughter, she's so shy, but she was shaking her little dress, doing her little whatever. That was so cute. She's only 3. After that event, we got back here. I had to change my clothes and do my hair. Because my hair, I just quickly did my hair yesterday. Quickly did my hair for her Christmas thing. It was cute-ish, but it wasn't what I wanted for that evening, yesterday evening's event, which was Sagittarius karaoke night at the spot that I was at, that we go all the time. So this was what happened was, because this is the last Friday, which was yesterday the 16th, was the last Friday for Sagittarius, but Sagittarius ends on the 21st, which is my birthday. So we all, I should have planned it better, but I didn't, whatever. So we all did the Sagittarius karaoke. Now, a couple of friends of mine, if you follow me on Instagram, you'll see the videos and pictures. A couple of friends of mine, birthday was Wednesday, then Thursday. So we had the party Friday. So the people's birthday that's Monday, Tuesday, and mine is Wednesday. We did it yesterday. And I did not plan it. I just went. Had fun. We went to 2 different spots. And after that, got back here about 12, 1-ish. Your girl was tired. And then I had to get up this morning and run some errands. And whoo, Lord and behold, it's 10:24 in the morning. And your girl, seriously tired. And I have to finish my office and do today's video, which is, before I get into what today's video is, if you are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. If you're an OG, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl, Tara Love Diva. Do me a favor, pause the video, click the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification, thumbs up this video. It's all free. I'm not that popular to say, hey, join me or subscription. I wouldn't do that to you all anyway. So with that being said, today's video we are going to make, it'll be, I'll probably make it for lunchtime, which is in a couple of hours. We're going to make a hot chocolate with Bailey's, a Bailey's hot chocolate. Oh my God, I heard it was good. So we're going to make some. I have Bailey's, and we're going to do the hot chocolate the Tara's way. I don't know, I don't want to make it everyone else's way because they do it different. So with that being said, no ingredients. I'm just going to show you how I make mine, and we're going to go from there. So we're going to head off and finish up doing the the contact paper on my desk, on my crafting desk. And then I had to order a silicone mat to go over it because that contact paper, watch the video, you'll see it's paper color. So with that being said, so we're gonna do hot chocolate and finish up this water because your girl tired. I didn't drink much yesterday. About 2 hours. So here are my ingredients. I don't measure, so I couldn't give you a measurement. One day I would do something like that next year and make a cookbook on things that I love to do while I'm single. Cooking Terra La Diva cooks for one. But all the measurements will be for two because it's hard to cook for one. Anyhow, here's my ingredients. You have the hot cocoa. You have the whipped cream. You have the chocolate. I like to add extra chocolate. Then my belly.